Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something super fun, which is going to a fabric trade show. So there are these trade shows where a bunch of fabric suppliers from all over the world come together and they show their products. And I have a lot of big plans coming out for next year and a lot of fun collections that I want to launch. So that means I need fabric. So today we are driving up to LA where I'm going to meet with some of my current suppliers and also in search of some new fabrics. I think it's gonna be really fun, it's gonna be really busy, and you guys get to come with me for the entire thing. So let's go.
Tomorrow, when I throw me down, you could lead me to the side. You still raising me up, but when I look aside, she guides me with a sign and light of me.
Here's Stephanie. She got her little swag bag.
A swag bag.
I love it. It says LA. We're about to go get some free coffee.
Thank you.
All right, what are you gonna get?
I got a mocha.
Mocha again.
I'm not like a very adventurous person.
I'm gonna get the matcha latte.
That sounds good.
Yeah. This is my friend Akiko. She's a beautiful illustrator. We ran into her at the show just by chance. Ooh, show the cute part. Doing the drawing. She makes beautiful illustrations. Coconut.
Are there different flavors?
Pressed. And this is boosted. This is a caffeine in it actually. Oh, latte. Coconut chocolate. And I think the other side is
Maybe just
and then I started feeling guilt. Yeah. Okay. That like makes it. I mean, and then that was also at that time. Yeah. And she was like, "It's gonna be cold that night." She's like, "I don't know." She's like,
time for a lunch break. And we have our second coffees because it's a really long day. Yeah.
I'm gonna explore.
So we ended up at lunch and we ended up picking up Umami Burger and also Sam Sandwiches. I guess it's a combo restaurant concept. So we got a crispy chicken sandwich, some fries, some tater tots, frozen lemonade, the works. I am definitely in a good mood right now because I'm about to eat some really great food. So yeah, it's like actually 3 o'clock right now, so we kind of worked through lunch. So we're just gonna enjoy our meal, take a little bit of a break, and then head back up to the trade show and finish that up before we head back to Orange County. I didn't want it.
Okay.
But if I had to...
Here we go. Taking off the jacket, man.
Time to eat.
Take off jacket times. I'm ready.